dwumadi we eye nkuranhye adwumadi ya me amede ho chia me no edin amje so eye ni teko tego me ma afihyiapa afiwe enko ensa meto ye mfi papa so yenkwa ye die ene empo ya hoodne ye ma enko so eso ena mesere ma wo biara. And we have just finished with an old year and we began another year. Afi ba kwatwam na foforo so aba ayemre ade bi a twede ampon ede che adasani biara sa o tintum sa kokko so etietia sa tenten sa umu oduro sa sabe umu nyeduro ade ba kwa ye nyina ewo no pepepepepe ayemre adechi chewa wono nhwere eduonu nan mesumu eduonu nan we all have equal time nia woye bia no wode mreye no e kire de abenya dankwama. What you are and what you become depends on what you use your time for. You see, ni oye sikani pa e fene billionaire ena de ote kwanchen a osra de they both have 24 hours. Yenyina ya womre. Ni awanyini se mesoi ni abranti afi na wasiso. Wo ba ne bema. Yenyina ya wo the same 24 hours na day. Emre enyina faako. Ekwa anesa anapa no nsia no nson no wotwe na ba nsia nwumre so no nsia bo na ye kokota so akoda. Wuntimi emma emre enyina ho. You cannot stop time. The only thing you can do is to control what you do with time. You cannot stop time. But the only thing you can do is to control what you do with time. What you use time for. Untimi emre nyina. And the abetimi de mra ya ne say, wo de beye ade bia ebeboa wo. And in that day, can you say with all honesty that you used the time given to you last year effectively? Can you say with all honesty that last year, 365 days, every day be 24 hours, we use some no ewa kwampaso. And a few ways no, how have you determined to use your time? Every new year is a new day. And every new day is an opportunity to bury the past and to use your time to move on. Emre etwa mu se ye nra se ya afini se ne ekọ enne wanya mre foforo wa wade mu no sika sam wadwum no ade sua mu wa brabo mu no se wotimi si nkete ka se afi me be bibi na ya mfaso ama me emre ekọ nanim. Everything that was created has to make progress. Time is progressional and you can never become better until you progress with time. O nipa se emre ekọ nanim no so ujina fakwa wakachi enti ekase obi tumpon ana o progress and they say every aspect of your life is made to progress by you experiencing change, or progress is advancing, growing, improving, moving forward and becoming better. Ekase progress se emre konanim se wososo woko anim na why said ya oye sefata si enra mpo se won fa ene se wo bro nra so se ochena so ba se wo bro so, then you are making progress. When you are making progress in life, you realize that your status, the situation will change. Se wo tum pon abrabo mu a otimu se wo yobia na wo tebia no sakrabem wo kasa mpo sisan bem wo ne yenso sisan bem nia obi won say akwese say dey wasesan o just say you are making progress. Everything that God made has within it an ability to progress and become great. Adebi otwede ampon yo ye no or the adebi due mu say ye betumpon ni akoyanim progress. What the brode e hye fom a be progress ya na itenten na so brode. What the banchi due hye fom a kete ebe fifia na a progress na watu banchi. Ade bi onyankopon yo ye wokoto akokọ a obe progress ya to nkosua butu nkosua so awo nkokomba ade bi Onyankopon ye no oye man puntuo na wo no se emre do ese obi say na me so kwamba so na metu mpon e kan puntuo anye sika abenya e kan puntuo anye madodo abewo mpuntuo won se akokotu nkosua no wo a wo nya bewe se akokọ no suban no e ma wo nya enam ewe brode ni suban no e ma wo so nya aduane di enti mpuntuo ni se wo suban be ma obi so ho ato no ayeye. So to progress means you are impacting lives. Na ye nyina ya kachi e wa brabum. Me bebre ena mpuntu ayepe no ye nya ne sa. What we do is that when setbacks occur, when we face difficulties, when we lack satisfaction, we don't look to any place but to others. Enyamia mpuntu amenye nyamia aya ban no oteso no mpuntu a na ji amenya no ayo owura na meware no no mpuntu amenya no aya ade na meton no aye nton no mpuntu amenya no ye school na manko ade na mensua no mpuntu amenya no se Ghana ha na metinti. The truth is that we all are very quick to look outside of ourselves for the reasons why we are stagnated and unhappy. Very often, we don't know that we are the cause of our own lack of progress. Of course, it's easy. So, I'm sure I say, oh, media menye, oh, media masay, media menye. It's easy. So, I'm sure I say, me na me mama brabo onkoso, me na mama brabo say, and you say it's easy. Baba sobo, but unim say ni awo ya esu kwano. The things you do that creates stagnation in your life, you don't do them consciously. But adwene bi a wo dwene atinka bi a okanya no susu bi a wo susu ene ne ye bi a wo na die abiri biara ene akwaside de ma wo. So otimi gitu mu se oware a enkoyie wapo mu de enkoyie ne me bi wo ha enkoyie obabo mu se wo gitu mu se me ankasa ma dwene bi a me dwene ene ne amenti me nwene ho atinka bi a me kenya no ana ne ame kenya no susu bi a me susu o ma dwene mu ana ne ame susu ono so ban bi a me de na die no ana so ban bi a ma na de eno na consider ma me a ka be bi sound say de wo he na me ye afri mu. It is time you stop looking outside yourself and look within your thinking patterns and look within how you feel, how your attitude, and look within how you behave to find out what is keeping you stuck at where you are. You were made to progress. You were made to be happy. You were made to become great. That is the objective of your Creator, that you become great. The stagnation is not from any economy. It's not from any man or woman. The stagnation is you. Check your thinking. Check your thinker. Check what you use your willpower to do. Check your behavior. I said that TBiano, a baby will pay. I say check it. Check it. I dream ben na medwin. I dream ben na menwine. I think ben na mekenya no. I think ben na men Kenya no. So suye ben na ya ba ma adwen proso. De na ya ese me yifri ho. Suban ben na me na adie. Eno ene se wasu ho kwan. Na se betumpon. We na me beja wo na day. Me mpa abo na se obetumpon e wo ne ma wo ye nyina mu. Na enegye adware wo. Me same mo afihia woje me so a afi we nkometo ye mfepa so onyame enhira wo bi a wo boy adwumade ba ye fi camera echo sound MCR ena production Randolph ejampadu nyame enhira mu yara me ediam je so ene ni takotego wo oni onyame entena.